the weekly on GJ has already dropped 700 pips. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Look at that candle. Jesus, 500 pips. I wonder what news it was.
Good morning, good morning.
Bro? Hello.
Yo,
Morning, bro.
morning, G.
How you been?
Yeah, not bad. Just cooking a nap.
Cooking and that. What's EJ's meal then?
So I got some bread, I cut up the crust, and then like put Nutella in it and rolled it up.
Nice, nice. Have you seen GJ?
GJ, yeah, what happened?
It's dropped like 700 pips already.
Already?
Yeah, there's this one 15-minute candle, bro. 500 pips. It's crazy.
Oh my goodness, they all have.
Actually, I haven't checked anything else yet, but
Oh, they all have. They all have reached my weekly target already. Bloody, this is what I mean. Like, how am I supposed to analyze when everything's just hitting targets left, right, center? Like,
yeah,
I can't trade, mate. Look, overall targets absolutely smashed through that.
that's mad.
My overall targets.
GU's done the same thing. Gold, yeah, gold had a bit of a weird one too. Yeah, gold faked out. So,
Yeah, gold. That's what I was expecting.
GJ.
I'm expecting gold to push up here from here, and then push down. But bloody, bro, how am I supposed to even get some trade then, man? Literally, I can't. I literally can't, mate.
They don't want you to trade, man.
What?
They don't want you to trade.
I don't nerf me, man. Shutting down MT4 as well, trying to nerf me,
Yeah,
bro.
true, true.
What's happening with crypto then? Yeah, that's gonna be a far trade from now. My goodness, bro. My goodness.
But yeah, on GU, GJ, I'll be looking to buy if price retraces into these areas. The ones
Yeah.
that are marked out, GU, for example, here. If price retraces downwards, I'll be looking to buy from there. GJ is very similar, but GJ is looking better because we've definitely got sell stops sitting below this area here. So price comes down, takes that out, then we get a push up from there. Will be nice. Sells wise, no, it's not looking good. I doubt we'll get.
I mean, like, yeah,
unless obviously price comes back up 500 pips.
it's a tough one. It's a tough one to show. It's a tough one
Yeah.
to show.
Can you check the stream for me, or if it's lagging?
Yeah, I'll check, bro. I'll check.
Because I've got the YouTube pop-out chat open. I don't know if that might cause it to lag.
I'll check the chat. Hi. The chat isn't on the screen, but I'm guessing you can see it.
Yeah, that's fine. I've got it on the pop-out chat.
Right. Okay. I think your camera's a bit too big, though.
Yeah, I forgot to make it smaller. There we go. Yeah, but weekly wise on both pairs, I would have said I was expecting a bearish close,
Right.
but we've basically fulfilled most of that already.
That's my issue, man. Like, literally, I there's not even a retracement. There was no retracement in this week If you look at the weekly, it's probably not even top wick.
Yeah. I mean, we've been trending. If you look at GJ, we were literally ranging for what since April, technically on the weekly. So like,
Yeah.
it makes sense that it all happened so fast. We just mirrored
Does,
that
yeah.
move upwards.
Yeah.
So now
True.
on the daily 1 hour, yeah, I would expect a bit of ranging now. Maybe at
I
least
wasn't
a
even
day or two.
expecting a deep pullback, man. I was expecting it to go to 158 and then collapse, but no.
Yeah, nothing.
Damn. Like, literally, the thing I posted yesterday, it's already done. Everything's done.
On every pair.
Except for gold. That's it.
Mad.
The hell, man. What am I... At least I got the targets right, I guess.
Yeah. Final week of the month too. I mean,
Bro.
like we said, news just speeds up the technicals. Technicals, I feel like always are going to align. News speeds it
That's
all
why
up. So that
Burma is
means
so dangerous.
you would have been right. You know,
Yeah.
if that theory is true.
No, I would have been right.
Yeah.
That's a fact.
We'll never know now. We'll never know.
No, I would have been right for sure. 100%.
We'll
Without a
never,
doubt.
we'll never know.
No, without a doubt, bro. Jake Paul takes a hilarious hit at Tommy Fury for getting Molly May pregnant.
What did he say?
Shocking. Tommy usually pulls out.
That's very funny.
Jake Paul, know what he did. I'm gonna post the first 3 parts of the beginner's guide today. So it goes up till the trading view part where you set it up, and then tomorrow I'll be posting the analysis part. After that, the MT4 part, but I don't know how much longer the MT4 will really be relevant. So that's an issue.
Yeah, that's true.
MT5, MT4. I might have to switch over to C Trader next time.
Yeah, I saw the memes about that.
Next time FCMO asks, "Oh, where you going next?" Oh, bro, I'm going C Trader. What are you saying?
Man, they are on C Trader, aren't they? FTMS.
They are on C Trader, yeah.
I've never used it though. I've heard
I've
it's not
never
that good.
My life, mate, but I'm gonna have to use it at some point, I think.
Was the stream laggy by the way?
No, it wasn't, mate.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, I'm on like 30% CPU, so that's alright.
Go out if you want. What do you want? If you have water, you have water. You have water. Have more food, okay? Cool. That's the cat fed.
Yeah, like the most I can analyze in GJ is we've had that massive push down, and it seems like we've begun a complex pullback upwards. Obviously, it's tricky to analyze with everything that's just happened, but
What's the best flavored crisp?
ooh, paprika ones are good. You know the Max ones.
No, I only have the ones that. So I got Worcester sauce. I've got salt and vinegar, Reggie salted cheese and onion.
From them is Worcester sauce. It's gotta be, bro.
What's the sauce?
Come on, bro. You got a rep. I've heard some people say they don't like it, but I think it's alright. Decent.
Well, I'm telling my little brother it was the sauce then. If he doesn't like it, it's your fault.
No, EJ's gonna have to deal with it. But yeah, it looks like if I zoom in here, obviously we had this 500 pip push down, yes, and now look at what we're doing: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. It looks like we're making a complex pullback upwards into this general area here, to perhaps then push down. So right now, sells are a long way off. I can't really look at sells within these 2 hours. But if you notice, if I zoom in, we've generated equal lows right above this 15-minute buying area. So what does that mean? It means we've got sell stops below here and stop losses. The buyers have their stop losses. The sellers are waiting for price to break this area. So my idea is once you push into this area, start breaking 1 minute candle highs and 1 minute candle lows. I'll buy stop loss somewhere below the low, looking like this, and I'll target my 1 to 2. We'll be in and out. That's the idea. Let's see if it plays out.
He needs wellies.
Yeah, I try and make sure I analyze it properly so that when I do it on the reels, I can just, it's so easy to cut it.
That is true, but they have to understand the shorthand as well.
Say that again?
They have to understand the shorthand as well, that's the issue.
The shorthand.
You said you're trying to practice shorthand, right?
Did I?
Oh, I thought you said shorthand. Do you mean trying to sound faster? Or...
I was just saying like the faster and more clear I can say it without stuttering, doing this and that, the less I have to cut out.
Yeah.
Because what I usually do is like, you know how, I don't know if you can do it in your one, but in mine you can extract the audio from the video.
Yeah, you can, yeah.
Yeah, you probably can do it, and I just literally I look through for all the places where there's no sound, then I'll go back to and then I'll just clip it, then clip it from the video at the same time, and then do that for the most of the video. Obviously before that I've already cut out anything that I don't need anyway, and that's what makes the Insta video smooth and a lot more attention grabbing.
Yeah. Do you have to do forest school at your primary?
What was that?
Forest school. You go around in the forest. I don't like it. It's weird. Taking kids to forest and that.
What are you on about?
But my brother's got forest school today.
Oh,
I got
what's forest school?
That's what I mean. That's what I'm asking if you knew what forest school was. And I'm guessing it's just them going around in the forest looking at bugs and.
I don't know.
You know what I mean?
Forest school.
Everyone, for anyone watching, like this is the real benefits of being able to trade full time. It's not all the money. It's not the, you know, it's the fact that you can take care of your brother.
Yeah, true.
Go to school and trade New York session instead.
Yeah. If GJ decides to drop 500 pips, it doesn't matter. You're okay.
If I was trading Asian session, bro, I'd be killing it right now.
Yeah.
I'd wait for a breakout trade and that, and bro, breakout traders are winning life this week.
Even last week, that one trade.
Yeah, they killed it as well. Lucky them, right?
Yeah, man. Not for long though. Breakout traders are seasonal.
Breakout traders have a great month, 1 month every year, so it's their month, bro. This is their month.
Yeah, that's the thing. If you're going to be a breakout trader, you got to capitalize on those long runners, break evens. Not break evens, on the runners, I mean.
Yeah, for sure.
Make sure, like, obviously some are doing it just 1-to-1, but even that, I don't even know if they are just 1-to-1.
You were a breakout trader once, I swear, weren't you?
Yes, I was. That's what I'm saying. When you don't, I feel like you have to take note of the runners. If you just do 1-to-1s, you're never going to be as good as the guys doing smart money or swing trading or holding longer term trades.
I mean, I think you may have a higher win rate than some of them.
Yeah.
Especially swing traders, because, yeah, they'll be in drawdown for quite some time, but
it won't mean anything, because, like,
yeah,
their one trade will just make up for loads of yours.
Yeah. That's what I mean. Because my one trade would probably net me 1-to-4. But it takes me 4 chances to get it wrong. But for like a swing trader, he gets them one trade and they're back to square one.
Yeah.
And I don't have to worry about slippage too much. Obviously, I still do sometimes, but not so much where I'm like, oh no,
Yeah,
I'm
there's that whole
scared.
thing as well. Oh yeah, with the
Yeah.
basics thing, were you saying everything you're gonna explain in those first two videos is gonna be before what I've said?
I mean, to be fair, it won't overlap. I've watched what we've done. It won't overlap.
Now, since you were making it anyway, I don't mind deleting the ones I did.
That's fine. If it overlaps, then yeah. But from what I did, it didn't. So yours is still very much relevant.
Actually, okay, that's calm.
So I wouldn't delete it personally, but it's up to you.
Sound. I was just thinking, since I'm gonna get busy with uni now,
Yeah,
I won't be on Discord as much, will I? Because
that's fine.
literally, I realized I just want to do stream real, stream real, stream real. You know
That's
what I
fine.
mean?
That's fine.
Go ham on
That's cool.
Insta, but then don't get too caught up with Discord.
Yeah, that's fine. I got Discord.
I don't want to teach, man. Don't wanna-
You don't have to teach, G. I can teach.
Let's check the Discord anyway.
We have like 18 people now, so that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's slowly growing. But we didn't
So
post any. Well, I didn't post anything on the weekend on Insta. It's sort of a dead zone.
I posted something, but it was a very rushed video.
Mm.
Yeah, 18 exactly. Bro, you're still popping off. That is insane.
Yeah. Bro, I looked at it. I was just like, another K, another K. What's going on, man?
It literally is like it's just popping off, man.
But surely it's stopped now. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's peaked now.
Even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night.
That was my one. It was very rushed.
Right, was that the Discord one?
Yeah.
Mm. I think maybe that was one for the whole green screen thing. You know, you're in front of the camera.
I'm doing that for TikTok mostly.
Or not Insta.
No, not really.
To be fair, you don't see many of them on Insta.
No, not really.
G.
Even if you're not ready for the day, it can always be night. Yes, sir.
You have to prepare. My old friend GBP JPU. Have you heard about GBP JPU, bro?
GBP AUD. AUD.
JPU, bro.
JPU, bro. I've heard of that one.
It's the new
But that's the
trend.
madness of a pair, to be fair.
It's the new trend, bro.
New wave, yeah, for sure.
They call it the new GU.
Oh my goodness. I think, yeah, I think the pair's just having a bloody laugh right now, mate. They're like, yeah, screw you. Good thing is oil prices are dropping, though.
Are they?
Yeah. About to get that cheap petrol once more.
Yeah, man. It's good timing. I was literally thinking of bringing my car to Loughborough. So
Yeah,
could work out well.
yeah. Need to fill up the car as well. I'll wait 3 days or something, and we'll see. We'll see the price.
Just wait 1 week for that retracement, yeah.
No. So what happens is like, it always takes 2 or 3 days before you see it in commercial prices.
Oh yeah. No, I
So
thought you
you
were
can-
saying wait for price to drop a little more.
Yeah, no, you can see as a trader when it's gonna go up or go down in
Yeah.
fuel prices, so you can time your petrol like petrol fill-ups at certain times. For example, Tesco normally, so you get a huge drop on petrol, but their price would remain the same because they still got to sell the the batch they bought at the same price, right? Because they bought it at a certain price. But now they're buying a new batch at that price. Now they're selling it at that price for quite some time. If you see a push up, then you fill up your tank on the day before a push up like happens, like on the actual commercial markets. Then you're like, we're sorted. Wait for the next retracement down and then fill it up again.
That's the real benefit of a trader.
That is the real benefit of the trader.
Mate, saving 20 quid on fuel, mate, it's worth it. It's worth it.
Everyone's saying you don't even see that on you don't even see the drop on commercial prices. I'm like, yeah, you do, 100% do. You can't predict what price it's gonna be exactly, but you can see a drop.
The domino effect.
Yeah. Oh, I just caught over the hill. That's over the hill. Flexing.
What's he doing?
He got he's in a Mercedes dealership.
Really? Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Fingers reach. Oh, I think
What?
it's like kind of application.
Oh, yeah, he streams later, doesn't he? Did you say 7
Yeah.
p.m.?
7 p.m. Yeah.
What car's he getting? Has he said?
No. So I don't think. I think he's saying, oh, it's an arm's reach. It's close.
As in the dealership's close to him? Or he's close to
No,
getting the
as
car?
in like he's not close to getting the car. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Pretty cool to be fair.
Nice.
If only
And
my
this is-
insurance was
This is
expensive.
before getting funded.
I think he's got his own capital as well.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
MT4 and MT5 has been blocked. I don't think it's been blocked yet, has it?
Well, my desktop one's working fine. NT5.
Let me check App Store.
I
I
think
think they're just deleting off
if-
App Store.
Yeah, just the App Store. So if you've got it, it's fine. You know, like
Okay.
Flappy Bird back in the day. If you got it, you're
No.
fine.
Like, if I got MT4, I bet it's still going to be here. Oh, actually isn't. No, it's been taken off. Oh,
What, off your phone?
yeah.
Well,
MT5's on my phone.
Yeah,
but
MT5's,
MT4
yeah.
If
I
I do
mean-
MT5,
But if they're taking it off the App Store, how long before they take it off the world, you know? Who knows?
but I'm about to sell my iPhone 6s. It's got MT4 on it.
50k minimum, you know?
Minimum, bro.
I saw it. They said it's something to do with Russians finding a way to make money, something like that. The investors.
Yeah.
That's some
Yeah.
BS reason. I'm like, what do you mean, man? Just leave it.
We don't really need it. That's the thing.
We don't need it, but still.
I'm not too fussed about it.
You can't be doing them things.
My brother was more stressed about it than I was, to be honest.
Was he?
He was like, "Oh, you're not worried about your income and stuff," and I was like, "Not really. I mean, there's always a way around it. Like always."
Yeah. I mean, didn't you start taking trades on your desktop anyway?
No,
I
Yeah,
swear
I
you
did.
did.
I had it on my laptop. But yeah, no, I mean, like, I still have it on my phone. It still works, from what I can see. Yeah, it definitely still works, still connects. So, all good.
Mark just placed 100 lot sell on GJ. He's like, yeah, it definitely works.
Yeah, it definitely works.
Yeah.
The only issue I can see is you won't get any updates for it, right, on your mobile.
Yeah.
That means it'll get very out of date, and therefore
It depends how
probably
long
stop
this
working.
ban is, innit?
Eventually gonna stop working, I reckon. So
I guess we got
that's
a
fine.
plan
You still
for the
got like,
worst.
yeah. You still got your desktop. I still got. I don't. It's probably out of my iPad actually. I know I still have my iPad, but yeah. Bro. The most important day trading rule. Rap just dropped a video. It's probably a gem.
Oh, I saw it. What was it? I forgot what was in the video already.
You watched it already?
I watched it. I forgot what was in it.
You're one of the 1.7k people that watched it 14 hours ago.
What did he say?
I don't know. I haven't watched it.
It's like a 2-minute video. It was-
That's not, is it? It's a 14-minute video from what I've seen. Oh, it's a 2-minute video.
Nah, 2
Never-
minutes. I forgot what he said.
The retail trader.
Yeah, it's pretty funny.
He absolutely hates retail traders,
I mean, if you imagine it from his perspective, Everyone is so stupid. If you think about it, it's
Yeah.
like you're
But technically
using
he's a retail trader
lines.
now.
I can
Oh.
see how many people are actually ordering. You're looking at
Yeah.
trend lines. In his mind, he's
Yeah.
like, "Oh my god, I gotta show these guys the truth. What's going on?"
Well, hold on.
I mean, he literally worked in an investment bank. So
What makes you a retail trader though?
I think he means the strategies. Obviously, most of us use retail platforms, so regardless, we're going to be retail traders. But
That's what I mean.
I think he means strategy-wise.
Oh. Well, I would consider myself as a retail trader, but I am profitable, so
Yeah.
that's fine. I do want to trade a bit more like him though. Like you're using what's it called? Footprint and order flow and stuff. But
Yeah. If it ever makes a significant improvement, or even a tiny improvement, I would. But
and I've seen the price of the software. It's only like it's every week. It's every month where you buy it. £30 a month or something.
yeah, it
It's
wasn't
not even
too much. It
No.
wasn't too much when I checked it. The Sierra chart you're on about, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't too much.
I thought it'd be £1,000.
Mm.
From what I heard, investment bankers actually do use Sierra charts.
Where did you hear this?
From a course I watched for footprint candles.
Mm.
They used to do something else and they moved over to Sierra charts.
Yeah. I mean, if he worked in an actual bank and he's using Sierra chart, then it makes sense.
Mm. Why are like finance people so secretive about the things they use?
Are they secretive there?
A little bit.
I mean, they're probably just not on Instagram.
Yeah, maybe.
Do you reckon they sit there in the office and they just sit there laughing at the videos about trend lines?
Oh, 100%.
Cause yeah, I can just imagine they sat there like 4 or 5 of them. They're like, "Look at this guy using RSI, man. What's going on? What's this? Look at this guy using Ichimoku. What's going on?"
I made that indicator to make fun of people, and they're actually using it. That's a little good.
Legit.
Guys, let me just make a trend line on the chart. 1 second. Let me just make one. Okay, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here. What do you think they're gonna do next? What do you think they're gonna do next? Honestly, the opposite. Oh, they're laughing. I don't think they
That's
control
their
the market.
that's their Monday morning motivational speech.
Oh, it is,
They,
yeah.
they just watch videos of like retail. They're like, guys, this is
Lucky
who
we're
we're
not like-
competing. This is who we're competing against. Come on.
They can be against other investment bankers unless they collude. Then
Oh yeah, that's true. They're against them too. At that point, I guess it's just about you're always trying to predict the ones larger than you, aren't you?
honestly, I wish that I actually did do finance at uni, or I
Yeah.
might still do it, so I can just step on the investment floor just to see what it's like,
Yeah.
just one time. If there's like a day where I can go to an investment banking floor and then like see what it's like, please give me that experience. I really am so curious of what it's like.
Yeah, just to see, man.
How the other
I'm
half
sure.
lives, you know?
I'm sure I can get a link one day. It's like through Instagram or something. You find someone who works in an investment bank. You can just ask them.
Get buddy with Narav.
Maybe Narav.
And
But
be
I mean,
like,
like actual people our age, like there must be a few who are starting to work there.
oh, true to yeah.
Literally, just find them on Instagram or just put on your story. Anyone who works in an investment bank or knows someone, let me know.
Yeah. I want
That's
to compare.
it. Problem solved. You find out.
I just want to see just one time. I just want to see. That's it. I'm not
No.
gonna work. I'm not gonna apply. I'm just want to
Yeah.
see.
They're just like, nah, mate. We actually all use moving averages. One person for each number. That's it. We trade that.
Ugh, but I'd be so disappointed if it's basically the exact same thing. I'd be so disappointed. I can't lie. I'd be like, really?
And he's just like, mate, we actually all watch ICT every day, and
Bro.
we watch his
Bro, there's no
predictions.
difference. I'd be so disgusted. Like, why, man? Like, I thought you guys were better than us. Honestly, was hoping for you guys to be better than us, so I had something to learn.
No, but the thing
And
is,
now I'm like,
it has to be different because we're all basing it off. If even smart money, you're basing it off someone bigger than you. So it doesn't make sense for them. It would be like a paradox if they're trading what we're doing. You know what I mean?
yeah, I see what you mean.
Because we're basing it off their
They're basically
orders.
catching their own tail. Well,
Yeah,
that
it
won't make
wouldn't
sense.
make sense. It would be like, unless there's always someone bigger, and you get right to the top. There's some trillionaires just like.
I feel like moving the markets today.
Julie, press the sell button. Who knows? Who knows what goes on?
I don't know, man. I don't know. Yeah,
I mean,
I
if they can
feel like-
literally print money, they can't do that technically.
I feel like they in forex anyways. I feel like you just can't predict it really. There's too many outside sources to really predict it. So, for example, like so many news. For example, like America wants to invest in the UK, they still have to buy a lot of pounds, right?
Yeah.
Or maybe a company wants to invest in the UK, but they don't really publicly, say that they're going to invest in the UK. And then you won't know that was they bought a lot of pound. And because they bought a lot of pound, technically the price should go up.
Yeah.
But like, there's no. It's not in a broker where they did it. It's not in one of them. They just bought pound,
Yeah, that's
probably
another,
directly from a bank.
that's another side to the whole liquidity thing we were talking about, where maybe when they do buy it, it loads up into that gun, and it's just more volume, so that when price does want to push up, it just goes poof.
Yeah.
Like for example, here, maybe a massive company. Well, this is probably news because it happened everywhere. What if that was just news? Sorry, what if that was someone selling something, like loads of pounds into another currency?
Yeah.
And
But that would be
the
outside
market-
sources that you can't predict, though. That's
No,
the
but I'm
thing.
saying like if the market was going to go down anyway, this has just been waiting. It's been loaded up into the gun, and it just fired it all off.
All right. It's basically liquidity was stored there. So
Yeah.
all the banks have to do is just put it up in that level, and then finally, exchange it and then drop
Yeah,
it.
like it was just waiting there
Alright.
for them to. Like they were maybe leveraging it, like the actual sell. They were holding it in their own debt or something like that. And when they actually wanted to put it into the market, they just pressed that button. It's hard to. I can't explain it. It's hard to. I think it's easy to get the idea, but
No, because even like businesses can't really control the market because they have what's it called, a forex risk taker. So basically, all this guy does is if the pound goes up against the US dollar, that means he makes his money. But if it goes down, basically he takes all the forex risk, not
yeah.
the business. The business like maintains the same exchange rate throughout their entire time investing in a company or
Yeah.
in a country, and then. But well, basically, yeah, they're not subject to forex exchange risk, but the guy is. So technically, even these businesses don't know where the price is going. Because if they did know where the price is going, they wouldn't need a forex exchange risk at all, like a person to take on the forex exchange risk. But they do. So that means like even they don't know. Even the guy in the forex exchange risk doesn't know, because if he did, well, like, I mean, maybe he does actually. I don't see a downside of him knowing, because he just get it right regardless.
Yeah.
Because he wouldn't take the risk if he doesn't know the pound would go up or something. Maybe, I don't know, but people do lose money in that industry as well. So even they don't know where the forex market is going. But like, I don't think anyone really inherently knows where the forex exchange market is going. But it's just good to go with someone who's higher than you, because they have a higher chance of moving the market, right?
Yeah. That's it.
As we've seen, like we are like. The general public is able to move the market by themselves, like as in if they collude together, put all their money together. Small markets, anyways, they're not going to be able to move like forex exchange
Yeah.
markets. That's too big of a market.
It's
But
way too
like
different, isn't it?
exactly, just a stock market, they're able to manipulate a stock market together because they have enough money. Maybe like that's their concept. If we all work together, we can actually move the markets together, like big banks and stuff.
Yeah. Then cash out, boom, done.
Exactly. Maybe, I don't know. It's a concept at the end of the day, but we won't really know until we see them in real life.
Do you reckon that was legal, what they did?
Well, the stocks people.
Yeah, like was it SME or
Definitely not.
something like that?
Definitely not. JJ, I'm over here.
Do you reckon? Was that not illegal?
Morning. I'll just leave.
I thought, well, they just came together and said, let's all buy this. What's wrong with that?
Because that's stock manipulation. It's collusion.
Yeah, but
It's
on
legal.
our side.
What? Yeah, it's still illegal. You're still trying to manipulate a stock.
Was GME, was Gus Fring gay? Was GME legal?
Oh dear. I fixed your baton already. And you took shower last night, so all you gotta do is wash today. And then we'll get you changed. You wanna eat cereal today? Yeah, cereal. Alright. No, sit down. I'll get you cereal. 1 second.
Let's see.
Sit down over there. I'll get you cereal. Because it's very early, you can watch TV while eating.
Mm-hmm.
Oh dear. You're still full. Precious flu. I've got it too. Nice.
Yeah, it's illegal.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, yeah, no buys.
Yeah, I might just start reacting to YouTube videos.
Gonna have to, bro. It's like everything's moved already.
I literally did the other day. I think when you weren't on, I just went on the podcast, the Roger Banks one. Yeah, interesting.
Yeah.
GU looks like it's retracing a little. That could be good. Let's go on the chat. See what's going on.
Which chat?
I'm on gold
Forex
now.
chat. Gold. Let's go. Where the buyers at, man? Where the buyers at? Tell them, ask him. Where the buyers at, bro? Why did you all go? Why did you leave me? Huh? Why did you leave me?
What are they talking about? They're having some deep philosophical talks here.
Is there? What are you saying?
The thing is that we are all gonna die one day. I would prefer to be around my family for most part of my life. It's true, but I don't know what they're talking about.
That's a bit philosophical
That's
for
one
sure.
of the major reasons I was attracted to this funds management business.
What?
I think so he has more time for his family.
Bro, just say Forex, man. Just say Forex. Like, don't try to be all bigger than everyone else saying, oh, fund. It's like,
I mean, maybe he does actually manage funds.
well, I manage funds. Well, I'm not going to say fund manager, am I?
I actually would say that. Probably at this point in time, I would say that.
Oh,
Would you not prefer to say that over?
Depends who I'm talking to. If it's just random people on the internet, I'd say Forex. Forex trader. If it's like people I care about,
That's what I
probably fund
mean.
manager.
Like in person, like someone you meet someone, they're like, "Hey, what'd you do?"
Oh, fund manager.
Yeah.
I can put that. Should I put that on my Instagram bio? Fund manager.
If you want, yeah.
They're like, what?
I probably will put that. As soon as I get funded with FTM, I probably will put that. Fund manager at enigma.tg in the bio. Mate, that's a flex. Actually, not fund manager. Not fund manager at Enigma, but fund manager.
And then fund manager, and then at Enigma.
Yeah, then at Enigma. We ain't got our own funds yet. At
No.
Enigma.
I mean, we do technically, not a lot,
I mean,
but we technically do.
Yeah. Right now it's fund manager at FTMO.
Yeah, fund manager at FTMO. And my issue is not even special anymore, honestly. Everyone passes and then bloody like what's it called? They blow it and then pass it, blow it.
Yeah, but to most people, they've never heard of FTMO. I mean, like general people.
Yeah.
It's just.
Should I change it right now? Should I be that guy?
Yeah, you might as well. I would. It's just. Yeah, it's just in trading. Even in trading, it'll sound good.
No, I'm not gonna say in trading, just in things.
But no, I'm just saying, like, to the people in trading, like, if they see that.
Yeah, true.
Let me backtrack my steps. Actually, let me just use this thing.
What is EJ watching on TV?
Unspeakable, I think. Are you watching Unspeakable?
Unspeakable. What's that?
Yeah. He's a YouTuber.
All right.
Let's see if I can put finance on this. Finance.
Yeah, all the kids watch YouTube now, don't they? They don't watch CBBC or
No, not really.
no more Teletubbies in the night, God.
My watch this way.
Where's my bio? Oh, here it is.
It's Ryan's Toys now.
Best of the Japanese in the entire world. It's an action story about Saitama who became a hero for fun. He could be just one powerful. The strongest is a easy operation turn-based RPG that simulates the anime
There we go.
storyline to relieve iconic cities.
Min 220817 and then fund manager. And my thing is finance now.
From a hero's
Wait, what?
own strongest team.
Hold on. Shut up.
No, what did you say about the financing?
You know, like business account, because mine is a business
Oh,
account.
right. Before it was, what was it, artist or something?
Artist, yeah, because I'm a chart artist, bro. Some may say con artist, but that's fine.
Chit artist?
There you go. Here it is. You gotta. Wait, it's not say. God.
Where is the
Come on.
update?
Look. Up there.
It's strong.
What?
No?
Saitama is very strong. Have you watched it? You want to watch it? Okay, we can watch it.
No,
There it is.
Oh. See, look how differently it looks now if someone clicks on your profile.
Yeah. I put some Enigma highlights on this as well.
Mark just got a boost in testosterone there.
Absolutely not. I don't like it. I feel like
I think it's because you haven't posted anything. That's probably why you don't like it. Because you don't actually post anything anyway.
no, I just don't like
I think-
being like called like a fund manager or something. I just prefer to just be.
No, but Insta like
No.
nowadays is like your LinkedIn. It's like your CV. It's like in terms of how people look.
My
at it.
LinkedIn is like my LinkedIn. I don't have a LinkedIn though.
No, I don't either. But I'm saying, like,
I should have a LinkedIn. It'd be packed, you know.
in terms of like networking, finding good friends, the first thing they're gonna look at is your Insta.
True.
At this
Oh, no,
point,
do
we
I
don't need to
want
worry
people-
about it. At this point, we don't really need to worry about it. But I think-
Yeah. Do I want people looking for fund managers though? Do I want to be in touch with people looking for fund managers?
Yeah. It depends what side they're on. Are they above
Correct.
you or below you? Are they £10 or 10k? What's going on?
Even 10k, I wouldn't take 10k to be honest. Not worth.
Really? 10k of real money?
Not worth.
Any risk?
Any risk? Oh,
I would. Because then I would
because I
stack
go
it up.
1% risk.
I'd approach loads of different people. The only thing I'm thinking about is how would you split that risk? How would you split that? Let's say you get 10 people to put 10k with you. How are you going to put it all in one account, two accounts?
Oh, you're gonna do it on a train account, aren't you?
I'm just wondering because obviously then you have to use CopyTrader. Then CopyTrader, it means your entries are slightly delayed. So what's the best way to do it? Actually, I think at that point we probably hire someone to enter at the same time as me. If you got, I don't know.
I'll just put it in the same account and just remember how much I'm risking, how much of the account portfolio they actually own. Oh,
No,
yeah.
I get that, Pub. Is the only reason I wouldn't want to do that is because of risk. Because what if something happens to that account for whatever reason? In terms of like you
Then
can't
it's-
not losing. I mean like one-off things like flash crash.
There'll always be that though. You can't really like stop that from
Yeah.
happening realistically. If you're talking about like maybe put like 10k in one account and then maybe 30k on the other, just so if the 10k has a flash crash, you're still risking 1% or what of the total. So let's say you have 50k in total, you're still risking 5k in that 10k account. But like, in case there's a flash crash, at least you still have that 30k account that you can back up on that won't
Yeah.
destroyed. I don't know. It depends. I guess. I don't think you can really. I think it's a risk you should be willing to take if you're in forex to have flash crashes and stuff.
Yeah. I guess maybe you do it so you make an agreement that you've only ever got 50% in an account.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So then you've always got that other 50% just to back you
Yeah,
up.
they can back up on. Yeah. Fall back on if ever.
Because what is it? Didn't they say with hedge funds like 80% is cash or sitting there? They don't actually
Yeah.
invest with it. What was the status or?
You know what?
There's a status or with hedge funds they were saying like 80%. Was a certain high percentage was saying that percentage they don't actually invest. It just sits there.
Yeah, there's a lot of hedge funds that actually don't make money.
Just can't anyway. I my fucking see it. Stranger, can you help me? My handy animals escaped. Can you get them back in their pen? Freaking serious. What? Me? Fine, alright.
Oh, it feels good to be able to eat, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, it does. Yeah.
You know
Well, I only
that
had it
feeling
for
when
one
you wake up and you're like, shit, I can't eat today. That's good.
Only had that one day anyways that do it. So like, I was calm. Didn't miss much.
Nah,
in that.
saying I only had like the 2 days, but I'm just saying.
Yeah.
As soon as you start eating again, you forget how shit it felt to not eat. That's the thing.
I think Raja Max is trying to pull Sean Lee, by the way.
What's he doing?
So he went on Twitter and he made a new 5k account, and apparently I think he's gonna trade it live.
Oh yeah, I
And
saw
try-
something like that. Yeah.
They're trying to pull Sean Lee out here, man. It's fishy though
I
with his
mean-
own bro.
I feel like he could do it though.
No, because he's only risking 1 to 2%. He doesn't do any scalings either.
Is he posting everything on here?
I don't know. Let's find out. I'm gonna search this as Twitter.
Finally, you are here. You think you are probably your feet might not be going to make it later. Yes, I am.
Oh, he's not even. He's not posting his
We're gonna
Yeah, he's not posting his actual trades.
assist the deal. Oh, what is that? What is
Ha. Nah, that's BTEC. That is. Post your trades.
What do you mean?
As to show what you're actually about to trade.
I mean,
Say
he
if you're buying or selling.
can't really do that on his though, can he?
You can.
No, 'cause he's 50 minutes.
Yeah.
No, you can't. You can't do it on his scalping.
Say if it breaks up over here, then I'll be looking to buy.
Yeah, but he's linked his FX book, so it'll be fine.
Yeah, but you can't track it though. It's his own broker. You can change numbers from your own broker. You can delete
Yeah,
stuff.
bro,
in
the
your ghost-
guy. I just still think he's a scammer. I don't understand.
No. I feel like his strategy does work, but I feel like he can be a bit like. There's times where you could easily just be like, oh, he just changed the numbers up here because it's his own broker. Again, there's
He
benefits. to
could,
having
but
your-
doesn't mean he will. Just because someone can.
Yeah, but there's benefits to having your own broker. Why would he do it his own broker?
Yeah, but it's his broker. Of course he's gonna do it. No commission, none of this spreads. It all goes to him.
I guess.
Just because someone
Yeah.
can do it doesn't mean they will scam you.
I know, but you gotta. Well, he should know that in everyone's head, that's what they're gonna be thinking. So he should post
Nah,
all
that's
this.
what I'm saying. It's not though. You're like a rare person here. I don't think everyone thinks it.
Oh yeah, well everyone just sucks on him. So
No, but he's been doing it live so long. You can't call him a scam or anything like that.
yeah, but the moment he doesn't do live is when he starts popping off in his own account. That's my issue. My issue is
Not really.
when he's doing live, right? He's doing okay. He's doing well. He's profitable, good. But as soon as he doesn't do live, that's when he really pops off and go like, oh, this is it. It's like I've 20k trades per day, like 40k trades per day, 100k trades per day.
But that was when he started his broker.
Mother Cole.
No, even when he was trading with his broker and he was like doing okay. I mean, his prime was. I mean, I'd admit his prime was probably like, around like when Corona hit, 2020. He was absolutely smashing it. Fair play.
Well, have you been watching him
But
this
at
whole
that
time?
point, yeah, no, I was watching him then. But at that point, he was only trading a small account because he was waiting for his broker.
I'm
So
pretty
yeah,
sure he
all
still
right.
had a big account back then.
He had a 10K account.
Nah, because sometimes he had an NFP account, but then his actual account was quite big.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
He's saying with 5k, and he said he's risking 1 to 2%.
Yeah.
He's saying with discipline, will I be able to withdraw at least 200 a week? That's 800 a month. That's what, 20% basically. In 3 months, the withdrawals should be at least 2,000 a week. That's 8,000 a month. If he can risk 2%, 1%, and he's withdrawing 2,000 a week in 3 months.
No.
Okay,
See, that's our
now,
issue.
now I feel like he's pushing it, but let's see what he does.
No, I don't believe that.
3 months, so he's basically saying,
He's saying he's got a like 80% win rate at least.
if he's saying this month's going to be 800, so that's about 20%. He's basically saying he's going to take 5k to 100k in 3 months. That's what he's saying.
Yeah.
No,
He
sorry.
is, yeah.
No. Oh, where's my mask on? No, 50k. He's saying he's going to take 5k to 50k in 3 months.
Remember, he's only going to have 2 trades a day at most,
Has
right?
he said that?
Yeah. That's what he says. He always says, I only take 2 trades a day. That's facts.
I mean, maybe
Everyone
for
knows
this
that.
he's changed the rules.
No. He
Bro,
said
he's
it in a
literally
recent
trading
podcast.
London session.
He said in a recent podcast, he was like,
Yeah, no, I saw
oh,
that. I saw that.
I was like, the best way that really I really learned to trade forex, and because I can only take 2 emotional decisions a day, therefore I'm only taking 2 financial decisions a day.
Yeah.
So if he takes more than 2, so at most, if he does his 1-to-1s, securing break evens, and like securing profits halfway through as well,
Yeah. I
at
mean,
most he can make 4%.
he's doing a London session. If you go on his Twitter now.
Yeah,
Nice, man. So, he literally caught that breakout.
he did. Yeah, fair play to him.
We shall return in 3 months.
Yes, I can. And I can acquire it back. Mr. Dynamo, say bye to you, and we'll be back.
With discipline, will I be able to? Oh, his question: will I be able to withdraw at least 200 a week? Oh, he's not doing 1-to-1s anymore. Yeah.
There's burial box in Minecraft.
Is there?
You go very, 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 very far.
I don't think that's true.
That is true.
I don't think so.
It is.
No.
There's so many rats. What is your hire?
Yeah, he's not doing 1-to-2s anymore. I don't think.
My time is much better spent continuing traveling, getting across the world before the 24 hours. I don't think of New York City. If only there was some diamond blocks along this path. Be so helpful. Whoa, New York Southeast. No. You can back up. What's on the other side of New York City? It's the freaking ocean. You gotta be kidding me. There's so many of them. They're dropping potatoes, though. This is freaking amazing. Big odds. So I can craft myself. I don't have resources to make a boat. I'm just kidding. I do. Right in front of me, right here, is the Atlantic Ocean, and we're about to freaking sail across it, boys. Let's giggity get it. I gotta like keep my boat like perfectly straight. If I accidentally go off the line, it's not gonna be good. What is this? Oh, so lost workers, lost the U.S. block. What is this place, dude? Oh, that's a garden.
Those Lambo rules mental. Who's that?
Please stop. Please stop. Please stop.
Can't tell who that is.
I don't need it. What is this, bro? Is this Atlantis? Oh. Let's see it like this. What? Let me come back out. Hey, I'll go any further. To the ceiling, bro. Get these bad. Diamond. You know, I can just go to the other side and get more. Whoa. You're gonna have to give me those back. No. Are you tempting me now? This is the way I have to go, so I gotta follow you anyway. First off, the diamond we have. Oh, this is good. Carry on, SWD, with your weird life. I have to go.
Bro, 1-to-1 GU. Let's go. Payouts about to be immense.
Water supply, but I guess that's what we're doing. Whoa, the water's going on one side. I guess a waterfall in real life has opening pockets underneath them. We are now landing on the French countryside. Oh, wow. So it's pretty great. Yeah, this is insane. I can't even see it. I had to be a bus. Mark's in my way. You just take the bus. What? Tower. Are you freaking serious? Oh, fall back, boys. We're running.
One more.
I've managed down the trouble. We're going to try to get as much dirt as possible and build over the Eiffel Tower. I know that's. I'm digging out this hole to build over this floor. Maybe not over the whole thing, but maybe just right up there. The Eiffel Tower, but the ball knocked off. So it's a pretty ball drop. I got 2 hearts. You know that what happens to the right of that one. Oh, how do I build all the way down?
Hello.
Yo. GU 1-to-1's coming soon, man.
What have you entered?
No, 1-to-1 coming soon though. Payouts immense. Let's say I make
Oh,
40,000.
do you
Yeah, I won't get 32,000. I get actually 40,000 pounds. That's crazy.
What is that your payout this month?
No. We don't disclose payouts numbers.
You just said
No, this-
40k, bro.
Oh, no, we don't disclose payout numbers. I did not get 40k. No. I risked 0.25%. Remember, it's nowhere near 40k.
Yeah. How much are you funded now, anyway?
We don't disclose funding numbers.
Come on, bro. Come on.
We don't disclose funding
No
numbers.
one's
bro.
watching it back, probably. No one's even on the stream.
No, bro. They'll track it back, bro. Internet's dangerous, bro. Internet's dangerous. One day when I'm ready, I'll say.
Calm.
A tell all.
Calm.
When I make an FTMO video. Tell all, bro. Especially if I put Enigma Trading on my bio here. They will watch it back.
True. And then it's true.
They'll track me down, bro. They'll find out where I live. Take my FTMO from me.
As you can see, Mark is from the ends. He's going to get robbed as soon as he posts his money.
Facts, bro. As soon as I stop taking a bit of money.
You just hear a
Cool.
brick through the window.
I did have to withdraw like £500 at one point though. Cash. I forgot why. I forgot exactly why. Nothing illegal, but
What? You mean from your bank?
yeah. I felt so like
What,
in
for,
danger. You know what I
for
mean?
withdrawing 500?
Yeah,
Why?
because I don't like having cash, man. It's scary. I would have flexed it on the IG, but again, it's only 5 seconds. So like, I don't know how much of a flex that would be.
Did you get
People out
robbed
here
when you
flexing
were a
lamp-
kid? Like, have you got PTSD from when you were a kid?
No, it's just dangerous, man. Doesn't I don't like the whole like showing off wealth or money or
No,
or
but
cash.
withdrawing money. Like, come on.
What?
Withdrawing money's fine, though, isn't it?
Yeah, but £500 in one sitting. Which, by the way, it didn't happen because you only withdraw like up to 110 or something, or whatever the weird number was, 150, something like that. And an ATM, and you have to go to a different ATM to withdraw the next one. Your bank calls you up like, "What's going on?" I'm like, "Oh, bro, I don't know, man."
I remember the first time that happened to me. I was literally buying some shoes. They were like, it wasn't even that much, 100 quid or something, 80 quid. And the
Yeah.
bank was like, "Are you sure this is you? You don't normally spend this much." I was like, "What? What are you trying to say, man? It's just a pair of shoes."
You sure this is you? You, bro. You don't spend money.
Sure, bro. So when was the last time you bought a pair of shoes? What's going on?
When's the last time you spend money, huh? Hmm? Huh? Exactly. They withdraw 80 quid.
No, I was literally buying a pair of shoes. Because at that point, I think I just started working. So all I'd ever done was really put money in. And it's the first time money was going out. They're like, hold up, what's going on? What's going on?
Right. That makes sense. Felicia, let's get you changed. Time to get changed. Yeah, for school. Okay.
I need to find my AirPods so I can talk while dropping my brother off.
Are you going to stay on the call, yeah?
Yeah, I tried to. If I can find my AirPods. Did you get scared last night because you went to my room? You woke up and you went to my room instead of yours?
Yeah.
You don't need to be scared. You had the light on. How did you wake up? I was recording something.
I couldn't sleep.
You couldn't sleep? Yeah, you were sleeping when I left.
Ow.
Has your little brother got the American accent as well?
Yeah.
I can tell you, it sounds a bit like different.
We're all Americans in heart, really. Because again, the dollar's doing well, so we're trying to jump. You know?
You jump in ship, yeah.
I mean, I get paid in dollars. It's a comp. It works for me. Never did I think though that it would actually happen a 1-to-1. I've been saying it as a joke for the past like month or two. I was like, oh, one day this will reach 1-to-1 and I'll be absolutely balling. But
So
Actually,
how much has it changed now then? Like,
What?
What did it used
A lot.
to
a lot.
be? It's changed massively.
12 a.m.
Wow.
3 Fahrenheit.
I watched the time.
See, it's in Fahrenheit. It's supposed to be in degrees. Sit down.
Yeah, that's it. So like, let's say you got paid 10k. Like you're literally making an extra 2k in pounds.
Yep.
That's
Exactly.
mad.
It's in pounds as well. So like
Scotty's here. Scotty.
What's in
pounds,
pounds?
like pounds are, I don't know, more. I guess they're worth more in my opinion.
Are you just saying in general?
As in, I don't know. I don't know how to say it, but you can buy a lot more with pounds than you can with dollars.
You mean when you're shopping online or what?
Yeah. Now, for example, like in US, right? The like $1 won't get you far at all. Obviously, pound won't get you far here as well. But let's say it's like $50, it'd
Yeah.
probably get you a week shopping. But in America, it won't even get you a week shopping. I don't think.
Yeah, but that's why isn't everyone's salary a lot higher there?
Yeah.
People
Well, that's
over
how-
there
yeah.
casually, bro. People over there casually say, "Yeah, I'll make 80k." 70K.
Yeah, but here they're like, it's the salary is what 30k average.
Yeah, but over there, yeah, I've seen it in certain cities there. They're like, bro, if you don't make 50, 60k, But saying that, it's like London, isn't it? They say in London, as in if you're living in the main part, like you
Yeah.
have to make over 50k or you're not going to survive.
No, you won't survive now, not in London.
So,
I mean, like,
I guess
then again, in London, like, I think a bartender can earn up to 80k though.
Nah, Isaac.
Nah, I reckon they could, you know?
A
Only
bartender.
Because of the tips, right?
A bar 50.
And, like, bro, a pint there is £8. There's no way they're not getting paid more. No way.
Yeah. I
London's
guess in the expensive bars maybe.
Yeah. Nah, London's a different country, man.
That's what I'm saying with America. It's probably like a lot of cities that are like London. They've got like
Yeah.
100 Londons, you know.
Yeah, probably. Don't push the kill.
What is supposed to do? He's trying to go up the.
Won't let you, don't worry.
He's trying to plan. He's planning.
Yeah.
He's planning. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. You are done there.
Get down.
Are you thinking about it?
Oh, something.
Good cheek, come here. Oh. Oh, no.
I'm trying to bring the food because he's always hungry.
We'll try to get him down.
The food because he always goes down with the food.
Yeah, it's fine. We'll let him.
He's planning again. He's not allowed there. That's why we don't have to put it there. You want to go on the side? Instead,
Where's your comb? Where's your brush?
brush.
There.
He's only allowed on the bed. Pucci, what are you planning again? Pucci's planning again.
Go, please. Cough.
I'm just gonna put this in there.
So to recap what GU and GJ have done, they pushed down like 400 pips and then decided they're going to retrace the whole move upwards. So we've got to ask ourselves, A, was this a fake out? Or B, is all this retracement going to lead to a complete reversal, or is it an actual pullback? In my opinion, if this was going to reverse completely, this move upwards wouldn't have been so slow. It would have been something like this, you know, like what happened on oil, right? But that's not what happened. We pushed down instantly and the retracement's been slow. So what that usually means is price is getting in as many buyers as possible and attracting the sellers, so that once we reach this point here, all the liquidity towards the downside is just waiting to be taken, and the move downwards can happen, you know, 10 times faster.
20 minutes left till we leave. What's happened? They retraced the entire move. No way. Oh wow, we did.
Yeah,
Wow.
We're nearly there. We're nearly there.
Wowzers. Now it just confused me. Like, now what does it want to do now? Did it reject that level? Does it need more liquidity? Like,
Yeah, I was saying, if this was a fake out, I feel like the move upwards wouldn't be so slow.
cements. Yeah.
I think if it was like if that whole candle was a fake out, this move back up should be like literally instant. But it's been so slow, so maybe it's legit.
Maybe it's legit retracement.
Legit.
Bit of tough one. 2 views on this one. Did you watch the what's going to happen next on Forex?
No, I haven't been on it. When did you post it?
Last night, 9 o'clock or something, and I went to sleep, so I didn't actually get to watch it.
No, I haven't clicked on it.
My voice was so soft that day because I was like so ill. I couldn't speak much. It was very bad. Very, very
Is
bad.
it
Like, yeah.
in the Discord?
It's not on Discord, no. That's what I mean. That's why I think it's so confused. Like, what?
It's probably you, bro.
No, because I literally put my computer to sleep the moment it got what's it called thing. It was an automatic thing. So basically, I saw it was 1 hour 45 minutes till it uploads. So I was like 2 hours
Right.
sleep. So I never got to watch it.
That's weird. It wasn't me, bro.
Analytics. Is it YT Analytics?
And is it a public video?
It is a public video, yeah.
I'm done.
Should be-
Yay. Good. Go downstairs. You want to go downstairs?
Maybe it's a subscriber.
Maybe. Unique viewers 251. Damn.
The big dog. Yeah, that's me.
Big dog.
That's actually mad.
Scrumpy.
No, Uncle.
Oh, you're not allowed to ride dogs, CJ. They're not for riding. Yeah, no, but they're not for riding. Even if you want to ride it, it's not for riding.
I mean, there's some big ones out there.
Yeah, I know, but still, they're not for riding. Stop biting you, like, get off me.
Mate, you need to watch Game of Thrones. These wolves, mate.
Yeah, but they're
They're
wolves.
basically
They're not dogs.
horses, bro.
Wolves, bro. Wolves, not dogs. Also, don't like
Dogs
what
come
they
from wolves, innit? Yeah, they do.
Yeah, they do. But, like, they've been domesticated enough to not be
Yeah.
wolves.
That's mad, you know. I saw Joe Rogan talking about it. He's like, when you look at a chihuahua, can you imagine that one day it used to be a wolf? Or back in the day, it used to be an actual wolf that roamed around.
I can
in
imagine.
packs.
I can imagine a Chihuahua being more of a wolf than a big dog, because a big dog is so quiet, but a Chihuahua, oh my goodness, bro!
Yeah, bro, they're fucking annoying.
That's why they got bullied in like when they were kids, because like they just keep trying to fight you all the time, man.
Yeah, bro. When I was doing deliveries, it's always the small dogs that bark the most.
Yeah, they always got something to say, don't they?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, big dogs, chill, man. You
No,
know
they
see
bark
people-
through the window. They bark through the window, bro.
Nah, they don't, bro. Big and they're proper
Bro.
quiet.
Sometimes it's before I even knocked on the door, they're barking. I'm like, what the fuck? Let me knock on the
They
door.
can smell
at least.
you, bro. They can smell you, bro.
Through the window.
What? They can, bro. Their sense
they
is
do, innit?
insane.
Bro.
It is immense, bro.
Even when I was doing people would literally open the door halfway. They wouldn't even open it properly. Literally, just so you could see their face, and they'd be like, yeah.
Mad.
Pass the bag, bro. Because you could just have the dogs waiting there behind them.
That is mad. Look here we go. You can see all. If you look at your screen, you can see what I've been talking about on the videos.
What's
Sorry.
this?
See a quick. I was using my iPad as well. I connected to the iPad on the screen. Those are a few diagrams I drew on for the thingy.
Nice. What's this? What are those red and green lines?
Stop loss, take profits. Basically it's all about spread on this one, so you can imagine what I was saying. I was
Yeah.
saying basically, like, obviously your entry is going to be slightly higher than your usual. But your stop loss, you're probably going to get hit a little bit higher than usual, and a bit lower for your take profit, just so they get a piece of the pie there.
Yeah. So your actual risk reward's lower.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said. The risk reward end up being slower than usual. So
That's good forex knowledge.
Bro, this notability thing is so good because you can let's say you're uni, yeah. You can record the person saying it, and basically it will show you a diagram while they were talking. It's pretty cool.
Say that again. Is this built in?
Like no, you have to get this app. There's notability. It's really good,
No.
especially with a pencil. Oh my goodness. iPad's still one of the best purchases I've had in my entire life. Hands down. If I was in uni, I'd get an iPad over a laptop. Over a laptop any day.
Nah.
I would. I 100% would.
Yeah, hopefully when I go in university, everyone's not got a Mac, and I'm the one guy sat there with a big ass laptop.
It's not even that big, is it? Your laptop's not that big.
The new one, yeah, yes, it's
Yeah.
decent.
Not that chunky. Glad my one is small. Nah. Let's see. It's probably small. It's probably the same
What,
size.
you mean
as the
your iPad?
other. My blue one. My blue laptop.
Yeah.
I'm planning to get a MacBook. Not a MacBook. Sorry, an iMac. Not an iMac. It's called a Mac Mini here. Because I get distracted. So every time I'm on my PC, because Valorant's right there, it's easy to play.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna separate my work. What's it called? My work thing.
Oh, okay, interesting.
My work setup to my gaming setup. So my PC is going to be purely gaming, and my Mac is going to be solely editing and recording, basically.
Got you.
It'd be pretty cool, I think.
The setup is ready.
Yeah, it'd be cool. I don't need really one screen for that one. Although, actually, you know what? No, one screen for gaming and then 2 screens for the Mac, I think. Because I need it for this OBS as well. Don't jump up there. Get down. No, I see what you're doing. No, get down. Stop it.
Is that your cat?
Yeah.
Is that what EJ was on about earlier? He's saying he's
He
planning.
kept jumping onto the cupboards. You can see him. Stop it. Get down. Down. Stop looking at places to go. Get down.
These cats, bro, they're menaces.
Nah, I like my cat, but no, I can see you about to jump. Stop. Go on, try again. Try again. You get dunked on.
Slaps him in the face.
There you go. Yeah, you can lie down. That's what you can lie down. That's good. Don't try jumping everywhere. Stop being a cat. Cat. What time is it? 12 minutes, and then I have to drop my brother off. Where is my AirPods? I've actually lost it. I absolutely just gone. I disappeared. Oh dear, my monitor. Okay. Nice. Still can't find it though. Probably in my car somewhere. Update though, I got my charger out the car.
Finally.
Yeah, 3 days. After 3 days of my phone being dead, finally got it out. Yeah, I don't use my phone often. You can tell.
What do people call you on there?
What?
What
I
do
prefer not to get called. If you need me, just message me, and if you message me, it'll go on my iPad.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's pretty good. Pretty good. It's the way to live. Or email me. Nah, jokes, don't email me. I'll never answer.
Your dad just emailed you like, Mark, get the fuck in the house, bro. What are you doing?
Everything's done by the time he comes home, so it's all good.
No, what shift does he do?
Depends on the day, innit?
Fair enough.
Depends on the day. Okay, just double check that I didn't miss anything. So he's got his wellies for Forest School. He's got his book bag. He's got his lunch. He's got his books. Cool. EJ, put your shoes on just so you're ready to go. Oh, you need socks. That's
I'm gonna go make a cup of tea. I'll be back.
Cup of tea. Cool.
Are you gonna stay on the call?
For a bit, yeah.
Alright, sound.
Sounds.
This time I want you to think. Too strong.
Oh, this one's very, very, very big.
It's very big.
If it's so big, that one's mommy's.
Yeah, I think it is mummy's, but it's fine. Mummy can't wear it for a while. Fine.
If you forget we're also it's for the grass, like 2.5 hours.
Go get your shoes.
Okay, let's start with licking your tire. You guys are gonna lose this challenge. Licking your tire. I'm not losing this challenge.
Don't do that. That's weird. Yeah, don't do the dance. Weird. Because I see you do it. I see you do the dance. It's weird.
A little bit.
It's okay now. Is it not? I'll put it in like that. So, let me do this. Wow, see? It takes off.
Look, I didn't do the straps on this one.
My shirt. That fixed it, and I'm gonna put it on. You know what? While we wait, 30 minutes and see if my trick gentlemen, get your unspeakable merch. Right here. Look, let's have it here. I don't think it's okay. Might as well do it. It's my shirt.
Then I'm trying to
This one.
We deserve everything that is. There's a middle way.
It's past hope. The people enjoy your company. Stay now on Paramount Plus. You know it's a low cold. I can't even like go to the it's not about it. What'd you wait? It's good. Going to go. Ready? It's soaking wet now, which is just fantastic. And I'm just gonna throw this nicely red shirt on. What's my white shirt wear? Hey, what are you making on the stove? Sorry, is that what you're supposed to be saying? He didn't say pure at the end of that. He did. Oh, he didn't. He didn't say lost that. No. You messed up. Hey, what are you thinking? I think Taylor, I'm taking this shower. Oh, shoot. That was a good thing. Shoot. So that, no. Even just spaghetti, okay, and away. Spaghetti. That's how you feel. Need water in there. I'm going to take out it's not water. It's just ripped off. I mean, I'm like. Oh no,
We're going soon in 2 minutes.
Did you know I was touching your hair when I was shooting?
I know.
Did you feel it?
Yeah, that's why I didn't leave.
Surrender your throw away.
I was trying to my sleep. I go to sleep. I was trying to feel nice.
We ain't getting nothing.
Mm-hmm. You ain't getting nothing.
It's looking like cells are more likely now.
Sounds. Oh, I see. GU, yeah? Oh, GU.
Both of them.
Mm-hmm. That's crazy. That's immense.
Let's see what would be.
Alright, I'll be right back. I just need to drop my brother off.
Sound.
For another 8 hours.
Was this the entry right here?
And gymnastics. You wear shoes for gymnastics? What is that for gymnastics? You don't want the one? You have too many local shoes. Yeah, well. You think?
if we could pass your funding challenge and get you funded a month from now, what would that do for you? Would that increase your monthly income by 3,000?
Hey, what's up, everybody? So, we're in sunny Miami here now these days. So, yesterday I posted a story, and that story was, what's one thing you would really want to know about, like, you know, anything, trading, whatever. When you're talking about trading strategy, you're not talking about, you know, where you take like a, you know, like a 50 pip trade or a 100 pip trade or a 200 pip trade. But basically what you're looking at is you're looking at three things. Now, the one thing is you're choosing which session are you going to trade, right? Which session are you most comfortable with trading, right? And that also depends on, like, you know, the amount of time you have in your life. Like, let's say if you're a morning person, you're up early in the morning, your work starts at 10 a.m., 11 a.m., whatever. Like, you know, if you're privileged that way in terms of work, then you could say, okay, you know what, I'm going to look at pre-New York to New York Open. And the biggest reason why you're only going to focus on, let's say, like one session is so that you can totally understand how that session's moving. Because if you're trading London session and then New York session, and then you're like, okay, you know what, I'm free in the evening time, so I'm going to trade Asian session, that shit's not going to work. It's definitely not going to work because you're going to be confused. Second thing is choosing a currency pair. Anything. You know, you can choose indices, you can choose, you know, gold, you can choose pound yen, pound USD. And it also depends on what session you're trading. You're trading a London session, you're looking at pound, euro, you're looking at Swiss, you're looking at, let's say, New York session, you're mostly looking at pairs tied with the dollar because there's really high volume in, like, you know, London and New York overlap. So you're looking at the session time, what time suits you best, personally, one pair that you're going to choose, and how many trades are you going to take in a day. And, like, you know, you guys heard me say all the time, just focus on 1 or 2 trades a day and that's it. That's it. That's easier said than done. But a lot of fucking people can't do that. You know, you take 2 trades and you're like, okay, you know what, my $500 account, I made $10, I want to make $2,000 tomorrow. So no, 2 trades aren't enough. You're going to take 5 trades and 6 trades and 7 trades. And then you're gonna, like, you know, spiral into that losing mentality, loss. So, you know, psychologically, stick to 1 or 2 trades a day. And that's really, really going to do, like, I tell my friends all the time, if you can stick to 1 or 2 trades for like 2 months straight, all this psychology thing, all this trading discipline thing, it's all gonna change for you. I would say maybe, you know, this concerns with trading. When you're trading, how do you increase your capital? So this ties on with the first question we had, like, you know, 1 to 2 trades a day. So if, let's say, for example, you got a $1,000 account, right? You got a $1,000 account, you've gone through, let's say, your student market fluidity, or let's say you're an amateur trader, and, you know, like, I'm going to focus on 1 or 2 trades a day. If you're focusing on 1 or 2 trades a day, you got a $1,000 account, you know, if you're really focusing on 1 or 2 trades a day, I've said this 50 times, right? Slowly, what you're going to see is maybe by the second 2 months, that's unbelievable.
Alright guys, we're probably not going to get an entry here. So I'm just going to cut the stream a bit early. Like 10 minutes.